good afternoon, students and traders. This is Michael, the so-called FXFreedom, broadcasting you live on YouTube. And this is Forex Trading Course 101, everybody. Remember, this is the foundation course. Hello, LSLS, how are you? And remember, everybody, trading is a learnable skill when we learn in the correct way the three pillars. Pillar number one is the market. Pillar number two is the strategy. And we learned about the market so far, everybody, with this basic module: market structure, beginner module, trend lines, intermediate module, Fibonacci's. As we said, pillar number two is the strategy. We are talking about the strategy for the last, I believe, 7 lessons. And the big one, pillar number 3, is the trader. You can follow us on our YouTube channel, everybody. It's called youtube.com/c/FXFreedomFX. And remember, you are going to graduate from this course, from the Forex Course 101 course, which is the analyst course, when, number one, you have your charts set up and ready for trading. So your charts should be something like this right now. Okay, if you are using indicators, if you are using Fibonacci's, okay, if you are using anything, not a problem. Now you don't need to use everything and anything, makes sense? Number two, you have your strategy in place and you understand why you win, why you lose. Audio too low, audio too low, audio too low. Better? Sound check, sound check, sound check. Oh, let me hear. Filters. Redefine, maybe? Filters. Is it better, everybody? Audio better? Audio too low? Okay, so what is this one? Should be properties, right? Okay, maybe sound check. Properties. Okay, sound check. Better, Bob? Better? I can't hear anything. Please check your audio. Hello, Allah, how are you? Properties and filters. Filters, everybody, give me a second. And desktop audio. So volume better. Let me see in here if is it better. Sound check. Sound check, better. Sound check, better. Sound check. Is it getting better, everybody? I'm not even sure what I'm doing. So sound check. Do you use like earpiece or something? No, I'm using a normal mic. Microphone. Sound check. Maybe in here. Sound check. Better? Sound check. Better. Alright, better. So properties, not this one. Better, right? Properties low. Let's increase in here. Better. Sound check. Better? Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Looks like, at least here it's better. Thank you very much. Okay, so one more time. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. This is Michael, the so-called FXFreedom, broadcasting you live on YouTube, everybody. This is the Forex Trading Course 101. Remember, trading is a learnable skill when we learn in the correct way. Yeah, right? The three pillars. Pillar number one is the market, everybody. And we are learning about the market with these basic modules: market structure, beginner module, trend line, support, resistance. intermediate module, multiple time frames, Fibonacci's. Pillar number 2 is the strategy. We've been talking about strategies for the last 7-8 lessons. Hello Allah, how are you? And the big one, it's called the trader. Talking about the trader more in the advanced course, everybody. You can follow us on YouTube. It's called youtube.com/c/FXFreedomFX. And remember, you are going to graduate from this course when, number 1, you have your chart set up and ready for trading. So you have your chart set up something like this. And now you don't need to use everything and anything, just have something. Okay, have your chart set up, ready for trading, everybody. Number 2, you have your strategy in place. You understand why you win and why you lose. Today we are going to work with Metia strategy, everybody. Okay, we worked 2 days ago with Shola strategy. Metia sent us his strategy. Okay, so we're going to check his strategy right now. And number 3, you have a complete understanding on how this market works, so you can analyze the market and make an educated prediction, long or short, for the week. Remember, 90% of traders lose money in the forex market worldwide. These streams are not trading or investment advice. And remember, if your way is not working, why don't you try ours? Kindly let's check your strategies on the Bitcoin and Ethereum. No sir, no cryptos, everybody. Okay, no cryptos. Okay, some of you are asking for gold, and now it's Bitcoin and Ethereum. Okay, it's the forex trading course, currency pairs. Okay, nothing personal, but if I start to do this with one, then everybody, oh, but you did this for Omar, and you did this for LS, you know, and then you need to do this for everybody. Okay, it's not personal, currency pairs. Okay, no cryptos, no oil, no gold. And for homeworks and questions, you have my Gmail contact, my Skype contact, and you can follow me on TradingView. Okay, Metia, what currency pair do you want to check? So we are here, everybody. The lesson today is strategy and different market behaviors, part 2. Okay, so on the 15-minute chart, 5-minute chart right now, just an example. On the 5-minute chart, you know, we talked about yesterday, you know, this would be one pattern, right? And right now, just graphically, this is another pattern. Christine Lagarde is talking right now, you know, news announcement was today. 15-minute chart, not that relevant, right? 15-minute chart in here. This is the 4-hour chart. So let's start. Metia is saying, sorry for my English. Believe me, your English is better than mine. So no need about that. Trading style, swing trader, general trading rules. Trading time frame, 4-hour time frame, and the confirmation time frame is going to be the daily. And Metia is asking for GBP NZD. Very good. First check confirmation time frame, then look for entry on trading time frame, wait for candles to close. Okay. Now he needs to wait for candles to close. Metia, do you want to see the daily candle close, or do you want to see the 4-hour candle close? Which one are we talking about? Julius, you are the boss, I'm a humble servant. Julius, you are the boss, I'm the servant. Wait for the candles to close. Okay, daily or 4-hour or both? Okay, what's the difference? So GBP NZD, if this is the chart, everybody, okay, and if you want to buy and you want to see a daily bullish candle, you have no entry right now, do you? Just an example. Just an example. And this one, the previous one from yesterday, which is closed, it's a doji, so it's an indecision candle. We learned about this. So you have no entry in here and you have no entry in here. The daily is still forming. But if you say, oh, I want to see the 4-hour candle, right? Then you would wait for the 4-hour candle, and not those two, you would enter with this one. Both for confirmation on short-term trend. Okay, so wait for candles to close. So we're going to write, before I enter into a trade, I must see a daily candle closed in the direction in the direction of my direction. Daily candle closed in the direction, okay, in the direction of my trade, right? Not to get too complicated. Risk 1% per trade, calculate position size, maximum 2% risk at the same time, same currency, every trade write in journal before, okay, 1 to 2.5. Entry rules, short-term trend on the daily, short-term trend on the 4-hour chart. Okay, here is the question. How are you going to choose, everybody, one or the other? Okay, Mattia, you need to choose one. Are you going to trade the short-term trend on the daily, or are you going to trade the short-term trend on the 4-hour chart? Based on my strategy, I enter trade at 199. Okay, when was this? Was this today? Was this yesterday? So this was Mattia's entry, edit coordinates, 1.99422. Okay, when was this? Yesterday, today. Stop loss is going to be red, edit coordinates, and stop loss is 1.97280. Okay, trade the 4-hour short-term trend. Okay, so we're going to clone chart and go to the 4-hour. Where did you enter, today or yesterday? Or 2 days ago? So this was the entry, the foreground color, stroke, and there you go. Yesterday. Okay. So everybody, Mattia entered yesterday. Did he obey his strategy rules? He said, I need to see the daily candle closed in my direction. Was the candle yesterday closed in his direction? Not the bullish one, the doji one. This was yesterday. And if he entered yesterday, he was looking the previous one, right? So did he obey the rules? So if this was yesterday trade, he was looking most likely this one. So the answer is yes, right? He obeyed. Now talking about the, so Fibonacci out. Talking about the short-term trend. Shorter trend and relevant highs and lows, everybody. Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Okay. Is Metia's stop loss in the correct place? How do you spot resistance and support zone? Bob, from the monthly chart. From the monthly chart. If you go, Bob, on Dukascopy YouTube webinar page, you are going to find the playlists, okay, and then you check support, resistance, pivot points. But I'm checking this on the monthly, and then I just copy and paste on the weekly, but the levels are from the monthly. Hello, sir. Please, sir, your speaker is not loud again. Speaker not loud again. Shola, can you hear me? Shola, sound check, sound check, sound check, sound check. Speaker not loud, okay? So 4 hour time frame, not in here, daily in here. Everybody, is Metia's stop loss in the right place? Yes or no? Talking about the short-term trend. So remember, not all highs and lows are relevant, right? So if you were going, everybody, like low to, whoops, low to high, high to low, low to high, high to low, low to high, high to low, low to high. What does this mean for you? We learned all of this, everybody. So you had an uptrend and then you move high to low. Not sure about this one. Not sure about this one. Is this a high or a low? Right? High to low, low to high. High to low, low to high. Red one, and let's make it thinner, thicker. Low to high and high to low, and then this is going to be transparent and like this, too much, and then it's low to high, high to low, right? This would be one approach. No, this is not Elliott wave, Bob. Okay, so we're connecting highs to lows. So did Metia enter, everybody? Is he doing what he's telling us that he's going to do in his strategy? I'm going to trade the 4 hour chart. So entry rules, I will trade the short-term trend on the 4 hour chart. I will trade the short-term trend on the 4 hour chart. Trading time frame is the 4 hour chart, confirmation time frame is the daily. So this is the daily, and candles are okay, right? Candles are okay. What about the, let's clone the daily again, indicators out, and get rid of the Fibonacci's. Out, 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 not this one. Out, 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 out. So this is the daily, right, everybody? Is the daily chart in an uptrend or is the daily chart in a downtrend? What is the daily chart doing? So Metia must check low to high, high to low, low to high, high to low. Is the daily in an uptrend? We have another high on shortened trend, only a few pips. We have another high. Okay. So low to high, high to low, low to high. This one. So this is one approach, right, everybody? Now the next approach is not all the highs and lows are relevant. So you would go, this is the first extension leg, and this is the first retracement leg. Okay? Why is this important to remember? You have two different stop loss levels. Please, sir, your speaker is not loud. Speaker is not too loud. Shola, I'm sorry. I don't know what to do anymore. Okay, Shola, I'm sorry. I don't know what to do. I tried everything with the OBS. Okay. I don't know what to do anymore. I connect all highs and lows for short-term trend. Very good, excellent. So I will trade the short-term trend. Okay, when we have confirmed short-term trend on the daily, I look on the 4-hour short-term trend to enter a trade. Okay, beginning of the 4-hour short-term trend must be in quadrant. Stop loss goes below above previous low high of short-term trend on the 4-hour. Beginning of the short term must be in a quadrant. What does this mean? Quadrant. Beginning of short-term trend must be in quadrant. Don't watch relevant highs and lows, not clear rule for me. Okay, very good. Then see, there is small echo from your side. Okay, sound check. Better. I can hear your voice twice, I think, in your background. Well, everybody, I'm sorry. I don't know what to do. No. Filters. Redefine, maybe redefine filters. Sound check. Better. Sound check. I'm going to fix until tomorrow, right, everybody? Quadrant. What is the quadrant? Trade management, cancel and replace on the 4-hour trade exit rule, stop loss hit or take profit hit. Okay, quadrant must be in the quadrant. High time frame, low and high. Oh, so high time frame, low and high. Not sure about this one, so let's check it, right? How this works. Is this the quadrant? So it must be high time frame low, high time frame high. I believe it's okay. We are following the strategy. Trade management rules, cancel and replace, trade exit, stop loss hit, sample 1, confirm downtrend, look for shortened downtrend on the 4-hour chart, euro dollar daily chart. Enter a trade after a shortened trend on 4-hour is confirmed. Enter is after second candle is close. close higher than low. Low is confirmed when 2 candles left and 2 candles on the right. Okay. Managed trade move, stop loss previous high. Okay. Backtesting NZJPY. First result, okay, strategy is easy to follow. Wow, congratulations. Very good. For now, profitable. Very good. Need to make more backtesting also on other pairs. Very good. Very good, very good, very good. Now I don't hear anything. Now I don't hear anything, everybody. Can you... Okay. Yes, it's true. Okay, everybody, let me see here. Okay. Text. Okay. Sorry for today. Let's finish the stream. Okay. I will arrange OBS software. Sorry for today, everybody. Let's finish the stream, okay? Yeah, I know it's stressful, right? I will arrange OBS software for tomorrow. Okay? Yeah, I'm sorry, everybody. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do, makes sense? Stay strong and trade for freedom. I'm sorry for today. See you back on Monday.